Okay, so life cycle of Coccidia. What is Coccidia? Coccidia is a protozoa. Belongs to the family Eimeria. The host of these protozoa are, it may be fowl and it can be cattle also. So before going into the life cycle, we need to understand something like what is oocyst. Oocyst is similar to the term zygote. How zygote is formed? By the fusion of two different gametes. In the same, in protozoology, if the fusion of micro and macro gametes will occur, it will form the oocyst, which is similar to zygote. Then what is the difference between unsporulated oocyst and sporulated oocyst? So this is the unsporulated oocyst, which will undergo sporulation in contact with environment in most of the species. After sporulation, what will occur? This is the oocyst, which is almost similar to zygote. After contact with environment, inside of this oocyst will develop sporocyst. This is the oocyst, inside which the sporocyst will develop. This is the sporocyst. Inside sporocyst, sporozoids will develop. This is the oocyst, this is sporocyst, and this is sporozoids. When sporozoids will be formed, these are the sporozoids. When sporozoids will be formed, then it is called as sporulated oocyst. Normally, in most of the species or family, unsporulated oocyst comes out in the faeces. After contact with environment, it will develop into sporulated oocyst, except one family, that is Sarcocystis. So now we will go to the life cycle. So unsporulated oocyst will comes out in the faeces, which in contact with environment it will converted into sporulated oocyst. Like here, this is the sporulated oocyst and this is the unsporulated oocyst. It will come out in the faeces, and after development in the environment, it will convert into sporulated oocyst. So this is sporulated oocyst. This sporulated oocyst will be ingested by another host. After ingesting, what will occur? The sporocyst, the oocyst is, the sporulated oocyst is consumed by the host. After ingestion, what will occur? This oocyst layer will dissolve. So now the sporocyst layer will comes out, after which the sporozoids will comes out. So now the sporocyst layer will be dissolved. Now all the sporozoids are comes out. These sporozoids will enter into intestinal cells. After entering, they will undergo some development and they are called trophozoids. Their size will be increased and they will convert into trophozoids. Now these trophozoids will undergo schizogony. What is schizogony? If a cell is there and its nucleus is divided into many numbers, this is cell and these are nucleus. This stage is called as schizome. So these trophozoids will convert into schizome, after which these nucleus are taking some of the cytoplasm and develop into a different cell. This is known as merozoids. So these schizomes will convert into merozoids. After merozoids, The next developmental stages are microgamete and macrogamete formation. So the merozoites will develop in some of the merozoites will develop into macrogametes and some of are develop into microgametes, after which their fusion will occur. After their fusion, the unsporulated oocyst will develop. The unsporulated oocyst will comes in the faces, after which in contact with the environment it will again converted into sporulated oocyst, which is infective to different hosts.